Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make easy chicken fried rice recipe. Yes, now anyone can make delicious chicken fried rice at your home. Just follow the recipe. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 400 grams of chicken without bone. Add 2 teaspoon Kasmiri Red Chilli Powder, 3/4 teaspoon Coriander Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Keep marinated for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can fry the chicken pieces. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add the chicken pieces and fry it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. After frying, remove it into a bowl for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Saute it for a minute. Then add 1 small chopped onion, chopped capsicum, half cup of chopped carrot, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now add half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well for a minute. Then make small space in the middle and add 3 eggs, half teaspoon salt. Scramble the eggs nicely. Then mix all together. Now add 200 grams of cooked basmati rice. Also add the fried chicken. You can cut bigger chicken pieces into smaller ones. Add 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder, 2 teaspoons soya sauce, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Mix all together nicely for 2 minutes. We can switch off the flame. Our easy chicken fried rice is ready. Just give it a try. You will really enjoy it. Just give it a try. You will really enjoy it.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.